Today we're taking buttered toast to a whole new level. So guys, let's do it. The first step for this amazing butter, we want some garlic. So take a few cloves of your garlic, remove the skins, and we're going to want a hydroplane or a grater. So stick your grater over a bowl and then work your way through your garlic cloves. We're looking to make some nice minced garlic. This will really help with making the butter so we can keep a close eye on the garlickiness. So once you have your minced garlic, pop that to one side and we're going to want a blender. And the first ingredient into the blender is some unsalted butter. So chuck in about a whole block of butter. It's best to let it soften a little bit and chop it up into cubes, and then you want to zest in a lemon. Once your zest is in, the next step is to take a few slices of the lemon and squeeze some of the juice into the blender with the butter. And then the first of our herbs, we want some chives. Chop your way through your chives and add a good pinch into the butter. And next up we want some flat leaf parsley. Chop your way through your parsley and chuck that into the blender with the chives. And the last herb we're going to use is some coriander. Roughly dice up the coriander and chuck that into the mix. Next up, you want to season with some salt and freshly ground black pepper. And before the garlic goes in, we want to get everything started off a little bit. So give that a blend for a couple of minutes and then start by chucking in about a teaspoon of the garlic. Give that a blend for a few minutes and then you want to get in there and give it a taste just to gauge the level of garlickiness. And depending on how you want it, leave it as it is or chuck in another teaspoon or so of your minced garlic. And then you want to give it one last really good blending up. We want it really nice and smooth. Give it one last taste for seasoning and then you want to empty out the butter into a bowl. At this point you want to chuck your garlic into the fridge and leave it to set. While the lovely garlic butter is setting in the fridge, we want to prepare our toast. So use a bread of your choice, cut off a nice few thick slices, and then you want to stick those under a grill and toast them off until they're beautiful and golden brown and crunchy. After a few ticks, once your toast is ready, you want to pop those onto a plate or a chopping board and then liberally spread over your delicious garlic butter. A really simple dish, but really tasty. Good any time of the day. All that's left to do is to get stuck in, and I'll see you next time.